Yo, what's going on? This boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Hope you're good. Today I will show you how to recover to delete notes on in any iPhone. The first thing, go to Notes apps. You can type in the search button notes. You see, first one, and you have that note. Click in the right corner, top right corner. You see the folder. Click on it, and you see you have a lot of options. You choose the last one, receive deleted. Hit on it. You see that one, receive deleted. Hit in the right top corner, edit, and choose one you need to recover, like the last one, and hit move in the bottom left. You see you need to move it in the notes, and you see that is back for your notes. I hope that video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.